some mac and cheese? Because that's exactly what today we father and son will be cooking. Mac and cheese, isn't it, Dad?
Yeah, it's baked mac and cheese.
What's the full form?
Macaroni cheese. That is simple.
You ruined it anyways. Let's begin with the ingredients because we need some mac and cheese.
The ingredients are dry macaroni, cheddar cheese, parmesan cheese, unsalted butter, olive oil, plain flour, whole milk, English mustard, crushed black pepper, and finally salt. For making delicious macaroni cheese, the first step we have to boil the pasta. So I will show you how to boil the pasta.
I will show you how to cook pasta in the al dente method. Now first take 1 vessel of water, then add 1 teaspoon of salt and then 1 teaspoon of olive oil and finally add the pasta.
Then add pasta. Then cover with the lid. We have to wait another 5 minutes. Yes, the pasta is ready now. Look, the pasta is perfectly cooked. It will take approximately 5 minutes. Make sure don't overcook the pasta. If you overcook the pasta, your mac and cheese is not at all good. The pasta is ready now. The second step, I will show you how to make a very delicious cheese sauce. For making cheese sauce, first heat the frying pan, then add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Then we have to add unsalted butter. Then mix it very well. Then add 3 spoons of plain flour. Again mix it very well. After 1 minute, we have to add the hot milk. Then mix it very well. The sauce almost ready. See the nice consistency. Then I'm going to add salt, crushed pepper and rest of the cheese. Salt, black peppers crushed. Again mix. Make sure that before adding the cheese you have to reduce the flame. Now I am going to add half the quantity of grated cheddar, also half the quantity of parmesan. Then mix it very well to make a fine texture cheese sauce. Yes, cheese almost melt. Finally, I am going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of English mustard. Make sure this is an optional. If you really require more flavor, you can add the mustard. The third step, I am going to combine the cooked pasta into the cheese sauce.
Now before you bake the mac and cheese, first preheat the oven over there or any oven of yours for at least 220 degrees Celsius for approximately 5 minutes and then transfer your mac and cheese into a vessel like this and then put inside the oven and let it bake for approximately 20 minutes.
Very nice cheesy sauce. Like this. Finally, I'm going to sprinkle the cheddar cheese and grated Parmesan cheese like this, and crushed black pepper sprinkle. Then bake it around 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, our oven is ready. I'm going to put the mac and cheese inside the oven and bake it around 15 to 20 minutes.
Cheese! I am
Your mac and cheese?
Wait, I got it. Oh no. Doesn't matter. Okay. It smells. Just remove it out of there.
Oh wow.
It's hot. It's hot.
Shake it, what?
It's really hot, Dad. Come on.
Look.
Oh my god. Guys, do not touch it. It's really hot.
Baked macaroni.
It's tasting time.
Taste it now.
Yes, my mac and cheese is very finely ready. It is. It is so good, guys. Oh, I just like it. It's very cheesy, Dad.
And more than that, it's very easy.
Yes, Dad.
Yes or no?
Yes, it's very simple. I think we took less amount of time actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very true indeed. Now, Dad, let me tell you a comment on this. It looks nice, but it tastes really good, Dad.
Just few ingredients only.
But one thing, it's kind of hot, so be careful. That's all. Now, you guys saw me give my dad a comment. So can you give me in the comment section down there, and we'll reply to every one of you. So make sure to do it. And don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. And click the bell button next to it. Do not forget, guys, okay? Now we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.